So, for the assembly, in the figure 271, find the stress in each rod if the temperature rises to 30 degree Fahrenheit. Ay, Celsius pala rather. So, this is 30 degrees Celsius. So, una nating masasolve dyan kapag meron na kayong nasolve na may nakuha kayong temperature, pwede nyo nang masolve yung elongation temperature ni steel. So, di ba alat? So, ang alpha natin is, yung gagamitin pa rin natin yung kanina. So, that's equal to 11.7 times 10 raised to negative 6 multiplied by the length ng steel. 1.5 multiplied by the change in temperature 30. So magkano yung deformation due to steel? 0.52 millimeters. Then solving for the elongation due to temperature ng aluminum, that is alpha A, bronze pala. Bronze, length ng bronze, delta T. So, ang alpha ng coefficient ng bronze ay 18.9 times 10 raised to negative 6. Ang length ng bronze is 3,000 multiplied by the temperature 30. So, the temperature due to bronze is equal to 1.701 millimeters. Okay na? So, ngayon, again, pwede pa rin tayong gamitin yung equations of equilibrium natin. So, the tension, this is the P ng steel, area P ng bronze. So, di ba nag-moment tayo? Summation ng moment at A is equal to 0. Taking clockwise positive. So, we have PS times 1 plus PB times 4 is equal to 1, 2 times 2.5. So, we have PS plus 4PB is equal to magkano to? 300. Sure? Okay, go. Hindi niniwala. Okay. This is the first equation. So, yung next equation natin, kagaya lang din kanina, so, this is that deformation due to temperature ng bronze plus due to the P ng bronze. This is the deformation ng temperature ng steel plus deformation ng P ng steel. Okay lang? Okay. So, ginawa natin ng positive T kasi nga haba din siya. No? Tapos, yung due to force P, hahaba din siya, no? Hahaba lahat. So, ayan. Ratio and proportion, this is 1 meter. And then, this is 3 meters. So, again, TB plus TPB divided by 4 equals to elongation to temperature ng steel plus P ng steel over 1. No? So, ano yung temperature, elongation due to temperature ng bronze? 1.701 plus P ng bronze, length ng bronze is equal to 3,000 divided by area ng bronze. Magkano yung area ng bronze? 1,300 Modulus of elasticity ng bronze ay 83,000. Class, i-multiply ko na to ng 4, no? Is equal to 4 multiplied by deformation due to temperature ng steel plus P ng steel multiplied by length ng steel 1.5 divided by area ng steel 320 modulus of elasticity 200,000. Okay. So this is our second equation. Paano nyo siya magagawang second equation? So ang gawin nyo, class, tingnan nyo, si PS, di ba, lipat natin sa kabila. Okay lang? So ang lalagay nyo sa PS, store nyo sa A yung coefficient niya. So, ano yung magiging coefficient ni PS? Ito, pasimplify ito. Class, times nyo ng 4, no? 4 times itong binilugan ko na to. Tapos, paki-store sa A. So, it should be negative. Kasi lilipat natin siya sa kabila. Plus, ito, si PB. Ano yung coefficient ni PB? Paki-store sa B. So, lagay ko lang to, ha. Ito si B. Si A. Ito si A. Okay. Equals. So, ano yung lilipat natin sa kabilang side? So, we have 4 multiplied by 0.5265 minus 1.701. This is our equation 2. So, we have two equations, 2 unknown. So, magkano si PS and PB? PS, PB ba yung nahanap? Or stress? Ay, plain stress ko na lang, no? Pero okay na yan. Nas-nuggets, kung ano yung mga pinaglalagay kong value. Si A, ito yon, distribute natin. Kasi lilipat, siya naging negative. Ito si B. Magkano si PS and PB.
Paano yung susunod sa yung equation mo sa ano?
Saan?
Lalagay sa kan.
Ayun, ito. Ilalagay mo. A, di ba, 1, 4, 300.
Yun pa naman.
Wait lang. Sorry, dapat gawin natin tong Newton. No? Plus, no? Dapat maging Newton pala to. Si 120. So, i-multiply natin to ng 1,000. So, this is also para maging Newton lahat. Kasi ito naka-Newton to eh. Megapascal to, Newton. So, pinago lang to, dinagdagan. Dapat consistent ng units. Ayan, tama. 1, 4, tas negative A. Master mo yung A. Alpha A. Equals. Tapos, B. Alpha B. Then 4 times 0.5265. 16,685 point and 17,000 70. 70,000 point newtons. So to solve for the area, so the area ng stress ng steel, P ng steel over area ng steel. So P ng steel, ang area ng steel is 300. Joke lang, tama, 320. So magkano yung stress ng steel? So, magkano yung stress ng steel? 52 megapascal. And stress ng bronze 54 yung may nahanap. Find the stress in each block. Okay. Scroll nyo na lang. Upload. Na-upload ko naman Talaga ba? Hindi ako nag-upload? Talaga ba? Hindi ako nag-upload?